New at 5, a Cumberland County mental health provider frustrated after she says her practice is owed close to $200,000 for claims.
Yeah, she reached out to IT Troubleshooter Diane Wilson for some help. Diane is here with us, as you can see, and this non-payment by an insurance company really impacted her business.
When you think about $200,000, she said that she's on the brink of not being able to keep her doors open. So we are talking a lot of money here, as it involves a mental health counseling and claims, and the owner of the counseling center said she has made significant efforts trying to get paid, but she is running out of time.
I mean, it's hard, right? I mean, I think I spent the past couple weeks in tears and just trying to figure out a solution.
Amber Kennedy of Spring Lake Counseling says she's desperately trying to continue to see patients.
There's an ethical responsibility to be able to provide, but we can't provide if we don't have a roof over our heads. And we don't have a roof over our heads unless our bills get paid.
But Kennedy says her bills from one of the insurance companies, Humana Military, PBGA, are not getting paid. She says the problem started when Humana Military transitioned their claims processor. Kennedy claims she did all of the necessary paperwork needed for her practice, which includes 30 providers.
We submitted our claims as we typically would every day after seeing a client, and 30 days went by and our claims were just kind of sitting in the queue for Humana Military.
After 30 days with no payment on claims, Kennedy says her practice continued to reach out to Humana.
The most recent response is there's no ETA on payment of claims when we have almost 800 claims sitting there.
With that many unpaid claims, Kennedy says it totals close to $200,000. It's taken a huge financial toll on keeping the counselor center open.
If we have 800 claims sitting there now and we continue to see folks that are Humana Military and we don't know if we'll ever get payment, there's no way that our doors can stay open.
Humana Military does have this posted on their website, acknowledging that their usual processing times have been delayed due to a major system transition, and that they are actively working to expedite resolutions and anticipate returning to our standard turnaround times within the next several weeks. When it comes to Kennedy's unpaid claims, a representative with Humana said they're working with her to ensure they resolve her concern promptly, and added in part, "We take our commitment to TRICARE East Region beneficiaries and providers very seriously and apologize for the inconvenience and frustration this problem has caused." Okay, and with all that, we had great news for Kennedy right after we got involved. She got a big relief. They have paid the more than all the claims, 800 claims. Plus that totaled over almost $200,000.
Wow.
Now she has more claims, and so we contacted them again. They said, yes, we're working to get those claims paid off.
Again, so they took care of the first round, and then you discovered more.
Yes, took care of the first round, then we're hearing from other providers. So a lot on our plate, but Humana Military admits to the problem, says they're working on it.
Okay.
At least with Amber, she has all those claims paid that were almost $200,000.
That's
so
all you
big
can
relief.
ask.
She can keep her doors open,
Yes.
continue providing service.